If you sell anything online, whether you're a website owner, blogger, video marketer, social media marketer, or business owner, you need high-quality premium images, videos, music, illustrations, vectors, GIFs that make you look professional and directly speak to your audience. So you can make sales, generate leads, and keep your audience engaged. But the problem is, you can't find them anywhere, right? What about Google? Do you know that you can be sued for tens of thousands of dollars for using Google images in your marketing campaigns, just in settlement fees, if someone claims them as their own? What about free stock platforms? They provide low-quality images and videos with poor resolution that do not scale well. And even if you are using such free stock images, they come with logo watermarks that look unprofessional in many cases, and not to mention their lack of large variety. And if you're using paid stock images from Shutterstock or iStock, you'll end up paying $150 to $500 for a single stock resource, or pay a hefty monthly fees up to $300 just to be able to download 25 to 40 stock resources. Not just that, you might have to pay extra to use them commercially. Also, there's no guarantee that you'll end up finding the right stock images for your needs and fit into your marketing campaigns perfectly. And if you have high-quality images and videos such as vectors, illustrations, infographics, charts, music tracks, or any other type of resource, then you'll need to hire a designer that may charge you hundreds of dollars for designing just one or two graphics. But today, all your struggles are over. Whether you're a marketer, blogger, or just starting your own business, you'll be able to find anything you need with Prime Stock Hub. Without monthly fee, without any restrictions, get unlimited access. Hi, my name is Kundan Chowdhury, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I'm grateful to be able to help over 100,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $2.5 million in sales in just the last 3 years. A few months back, I came up with the idea of making software that can solve all these problems mentioned above. It took us over 7 months to create the system, add new features, and perfect everything. Introducing Prime Stock Hub. Get unlimited access to 10 billion plus royalty-free, high-quality stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, audio tracks for a low one-time fee without any restrictions. And along with our professional image editor, video editor, and music editor, you'll have everything you need to create beautiful, engaging marketing materials without breaking the bank in minutes. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create visually stunning marketing materials on the fly. Step 1. Enter a keyword and search from over 10 billion resources. Step 2. Just tap on it to modify as per your needs with our cloud-based video, image, and music editor. Step 3. Use it anywhere and in any way you wish. Mesmerize your audience by adding your media file to your blog post, video, social media campaign, or whatever you're working on. Or simply publish to social media, share with your friends, and watch the sales come in. Why Prime Stock Hubs? Here's the major benefits you will get from Prime Stock Hubs. 1. Unlimited access and downloads. Get unlimited access to all stock resources without worrying about limits or fees. Prime Stock Hubs lets you download as many images, videos, audios, vectors, GIFs, icons as you want. 2. No restrictions. Personal and commercial rights included. Use our resources for any of your personal or commercial projects. This means you get unlimited access to HD stock resources that are perfect for promoting your or your client's business, products, or services. 3. Unlimited customizations. With our premium one-click image, video, and music editors, you can create, edit, or customize anything about any image or video to make it your own and unique. 4. Save thousands. No paying high monthly fee to stock websites. Stop paying $500 or more per month for just one video or image. With Prime Stock Hubs, you pay only once with no hidden cost to worry about. Plus, we offer free access to our library of over 10 billion photos, graphics, audio clips, and videos, all royalty-free. 5. Be safe. No violation of copyright laws. Use Prime Stock Hub's library of images and videos with confidence that you're not violating any copyright laws. We only offer images and videos that are royalty-free and have been released for commercial use. 6. Save time and energy. With Prime Stock Hubs, you don't have to jump from site to site looking for the perfect stock files for your projects. Just search through our huge database of images and videos to find exactly what you're looking for in a matter of seconds. 7. Free updates in forever. Get new content all the time without paying a penny or having to sign up for expensive stock platforms ever again. 8. 24/7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Whether you need help finding the perfect image or video or have a question about any of our products, we're here to assist you. See how using Prime Stock Hubs helps us make easy commissions every single day. With our high-quality stock resources, you can 1. Create content for your blog, website, or YouTube channel. 2. Promote your business, products, or services. 3. Build your own unique freelancing portfolio. 4. Make money by selling stock photos, footage, or videos. 5. Make presentations for free. 6. Create eye-catching social media images. 7. Build beautiful websites faster. 8. Anything else. The resources are unlimited. So, what's the price? Imagine buying a single stock image from Shutterstock for $29. It wouldn't be fair, would it? Or paying monthly fees of $49 per month for overpriced stock resources. But you know what's even worse? Spending countless hours and eventually ending up with low-quality images while risking your money and copyright infringement that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars in settlements. I completely understand where you're coming from, and I don't want you to go through the same struggles either. That's why we made our prices as affordable as possible. Today, you can get access to Prime Stock Hub for a low one-time price. So, how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we'll be increasing the price to match other stock platforms. This way, we'll be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. The price will turn monthly soon. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying Prime Stock Hub, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked, and you can still keep our product and enjoy all the benefits. Don't let this opportunity pass you by or you will regret it later. Save thousands by only paying once, instead of paying monthly for some other useless subscription. Save yourself from getting sued or paying tens of thousands in settlement fees, or even getting your business closed. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting Prime Stock Hub at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.